feet, building to 3 to 5 feet. Friday night, south winds to 30 knots, becoming southwest 15. Northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8:15 p.m. Moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarters. Quarter-size hail to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Warning for southeastern Lake County in northeast Elwood, Berkeley, Rogers Park, Hillside, Lyle, Winnetka, North Lake, Oak Brook Terrace, Wheaton, Schiller. Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern DuPage County in Wood Park, Elmhurst, Gulf, Glencoe, Niles, and Rosemont. For your protection, move to an room on the lowest floor of a building. Are indicated. Impact. A severe thunderstorm sighting in northeastern Illinois. This is New Weather Radio, KW039 Chicago. Hillside, Lyle, Winnetka, North Lake, Oak Brook Terrace, Wheaton, Schiller Park, York Center, Highwood, Deerfield, Edison Park, Glenview, Highland Park, Stone Park, Elmwood Park, Elmhurst, Gulf, Glencoe, Niles, and Rosemont. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northeastern Illinois.